Welcome back, fellow seekers of wisdom, and greetings to those of you that are perhaps joining us for the first time. I'd like to invite you all to embark on an extraordinary journey by subscribing, if you haven't done so, to this free YouTube course called Become a Modern Day Alchemist. This transformative series built upon the foundation of being a modern day alchemist, where we harness the powers of our thoughts and intention to manifest our desires into tangible reality. I'm Dreyer, and I'm going to be your guide and your mentor on this path of alchemical transformation. As a spiritual alchemist, we understand the interconnectedness of the universe and tap into the divine wisdom that is within that realm. So by aligning our higher purpose and connecting with the universal flow of energy, we literally unlock the keys to manifesting abundance and prosperity. Now, let's dive into the powerful topic of the law of attraction, magnetizing abundance and prosperity. This universal law states that like attracts like, and what we focus on expands. It is a call to awaken our awareness and to take conscious control of our thoughts, our emotions, and our actions, knowing that they shape our reality. In other words, now we have to make use of the higher faculties of the mind, the mind powers. So as modern day alchemists, we recognize that the law of attraction plays a pivotal role in our quest for wealth and success. And by understanding and applying this principle, we can transform our financial reality. So let's explore the law of attraction and how it impacts us, and use maybe a practical example to relating to the wealth manifestation process. The law of attraction operates on the principle that our thoughts and beliefs create our reality. Therefore, if we hold onto thoughts of lack and scarcity, guess what's going to happen? We're literally going to attract more of the same. Conversely, by cultivating a mindset of abundance and prosperity, we align ourselves with the frequency of wealth and open the floodgates of opportunity. And let's explore how the manifestation of wealth aligns with the concept of universal energy and interconnectedness. Just as everything in the universe is composed of energy, including our thoughts and emotions, we can tap into this energetic web to attract abundance and prosperity into our lives. The principle of manifestation. This is the opposite to the principle of attraction. So the principle of manifestation teaches us that our thoughts and intentions create ripples in the fabric of reality. So when we align our energy with the frequency of wealth and success, we become powerful magnets for opportunities, for resources, and for financial abundance. I want you, as an example, to consider the metaphor of a radio station. Each station broadcasts at a very specific frequency. And to tune into that particular station, we must adjust our radio dial to match that frequency. In other words, this means that it's not going to happen automatically. We have to do something. We have to be part of that manifestation process by dialing into that. And this simply means that we need to do that before the manifestation can happen. In other words, before that clarity can be heard. So we have to take action before the attraction can happen. So similarly, by consciously aligning our thoughts and our emotions and our actions with the vibrations of wealth, we harmonize with the energetic resonance of abundance, whereby attracting it into our experience. But because we are dealing with duality, the manifestation of that we want to attract cannot happen. And this understanding of universal energy and manifestation resonates with various spiritual and philosophical traditions. It echoes in ancient wisdom in the law of attraction, which asserts that like attracts like. By emanating positive vibrations of gratitude, positivity, and of abundance, we draw similar frequencies towards us, amplifying our manifestation process. Drawing from the wisdom of quantum physics, we learn that everything in the universe is interconnected and influenced by the observer. Just as electrons behave differently when observed, our reality shifts and responds to our conscious focus and intention. By directing our attention towards wealth and prosperity, we become active participants in co-creating our own financial reality. Embracing the manifestation process aligns with the principle of conscious co-creation. It empowers us to take ownership of our own financial destiny and recognize our inherent abilities to shape our lives. So by leveraging the forces of the universe and literally tapping into the infinite abundance that are available, we transcend the limitations of mere coincidence, and therefore we step into the realm of deliberate creation. Through this perspective, we understand that manifesting wealth and success is not just a matter of luck or chance, but is the result of conscious alignment and intention. By diligently practicing gratitude and visualization and positive affirmation, we established a very deep connection with the universal flow of abundance and become active participants in the grand dance of manifestation. In essence, the manifestation of wealth and prosperity is complexly woven into the fabric of universal energy and interconnectedness. By understanding and applying the principles of conscious creation, we unlock the door to limitless possibility and pave the way for a life of financial abundance and fulfillment. Now, what's your task? Your task for today is maybe to take a moment and reflect on the different beliefs about money and abundance that you've got. Are they serving you or are they holding you back? And then I want you to identify just one limiting belief, and I want you to replace it with basically a positive affirmation or a power symbol. That is, if you've done that course, and that aligns with your desire for wealth and prosperity. Now, if you've done the power morphing process, and then I want you to incorporate the power morphing process to amplify its impact as a potent magnet for abundance. By creating these power symbols that align with the vibration with your unconscious mind, you're going to unlock the full potential of the law of attraction and manifestation in your life. So witness this incredible power of these practices as you manifest wealth and abundance effortlessly. In conclusion, my fellow alchemists, remember that you possess the power to magnetize abundance and prosperity literally into your life. By embracing the law of attraction, aligning with the Hermetic principles, you unlock the key to unlimited wealth and success. Embrace this journey of self-discovery, release limiting beliefs, and consciously create the reality that you desire. I encourage you to, that's if you want to like, share, and comment on this video to spread this transformative teaching of a modern day alchemist. And I'm sure that together we can inspire and uplift and inspire others on this path to abundance and prosperity. So thank you so much for watching this video. I invite you to continue your journey by exploring the full course that you'll find here on YouTube. And you'll see there's a link in the description area below for the full playlist. Start with lesson 1. Take a day per lesson and go through it as we're going to start building upon these ideas as we go deeper and deeper into the principles and practices of manifestation. And then also stay tuned for the next lesson, which will unveil another powerful aspect of alchemical transformation. And lastly, I'd like to invite you to sign up for a free online masterclass. It is called the Golden Key Masterclass. Again, you're going to find a link just below this video. So there's at least 2 links that you can click on, and then click on that. Do that masterclass. It's going to be about 2 hours, maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours, depending on how long. And depending if it's live, of course, if it's going to be live, it's longer because there we handle live questions and I'll give you more insights into it. If it's a recording that you're going to listen to, then that recording, of course, we've cut out the questions because that may not be applicable. But on that lesson, just below that lesson, it's also on YouTube. You can ask your questions, and from time to time, I'm going to come back to that and answer them. And that is where you gain further insights into the manifestation process. And you're going to literally discover the golden keys to unlock your true potential. The link to register I've sent is just below this video. Click on that, make sure that you register, make sure that you pitch up, and make sure that if you've got questions at the end of that session, that you're going to ask them. So thank you so much once again for being with me on this journey, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.